Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a blending essential that is about to simplify your kitchen routine, the Vitamix Ascent X2 blender, professional grade. If you are tired of blenders that leave bits in your drinks or cannot handle a full load of fruits and veggies, this one is your simple solution to smooth, reliable results every time. Picture fresh smoothies for the family, quick purees for baby food, or even basic frozen treats, all from a compact machine that does not take over your counter space. No bells and whistles overload, just pure blending power that gets the job done right. This entry-level pro turns daily prep into no-fuss wins. Stick around because by the end of this, you will see why the Vitamix Ascent X2 is a smart pick for busy homes. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you, plus you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features of this straightforward star. The design is clean and practical, with a base about 8 inches wide and 18 inches tall, weighing 11 pounds for stability without feeling heavy to shift. It comes in matte shadow black or polar white, blending into any kitchen setup nicely. At the heart is the 2.2 peak horsepower motor, 1500 watts of steady power that tackles ice, greens, and fruits without straining. The 13-inch laser-cut stainless steel blades create a strong vortex to pull everything down for even blends. The 48-ounce low-profile container is made of BPA-free Triton plastic, shatter-resistant and sized for 1 to 4 servings, with easy measurement marks on the side and a vented lid with a drop plug for adding extras mid-blend. Controls keep it simple with a touch interface that includes a digital timer counting up as you go, 3 presets for smoothies, frozen desserts, and hot soups that heat through friction in about 6 minutes. There is variable speed from 1 to 10 plus pulse for custom control, and self-detect technology that reads the container chip to adjust power and time automatically. No extra alerts or extensions like higher models, but it is intuitive for everyday use. The self-cleaning program adds warm water and a drop of soap, runs for 60 seconds, and rinses clean. It includes a tamper to push down thick mixes safely, access to a digital recipe book with over 30 basics, and a 10-year full warranty covering parts and labour. Price is around $600, a solid value for the build and longevity. Okay, now for the honest breakdown, pros and cons after blending daily from shakes to sauces. Pros first. Number 1, the power is consistent, crushing ice to snow and mixing smoothies without chunks in under a minute. Number 2, the 3 presets make it foolproof for common tasks like soups that cook themselves. Number 3, the 48-ounce size is just right for small to medium batches, reducing waste. Number 4, self-detect keeps things simple by auto-adjusting, no manual tweaks needed. Number 5, cleanup is quick with the self-clean cycle, ideal for back-to-back uses. Number 6, it runs quieter at 85 decibels than many competitors, and the sturdy base has no shake. Overall, it delivers reliable pro results without complexity. Now, cons to keep it balanced. 1, the $600 price is still an investment for light users. 2, only 3 presets mean manual mode for things like dips or cocktails. 3, no tamper alert or overheat notifications like in X4 or higher, so watch thicker blends. 4, the touch panel can be sensitive if hands are wet. 5, 11 pounds makes it less portable. 6, no app for recipes, just the digital book. But here is the key, the pros shine for everyday blenders. If you want solid power for smoothies, soups, and basics a few times a week and value simplicity over extras, this fits perfectly. Not for advanced users needing more programs, but for straightforward, lasting performance, it is a clear win. So my recommendation, add the Vitamix Ascent X2 to your cart now. It streamlines healthy eating and family meals with ease that lasts. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your mornings will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more easy kitchen tips and click the link to support us. What is your first blend? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. You are awesome. If this helped, like the video, share with a friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.